most videos on YouTube that are getting ignored today, it's not because that the videos are bad. No, it's because this video are missing these 4 things, secrets that most YouTubers use to help their videos get views, And so getting views is not magic. No, it's mechanics. It's knowing what to do so that your videos get clicked, basically, And so let's talk about this. And you don't want to miss the third. The third secret, this is the one that most creatives ignore, but this is the one that does the most impact onto your video. Secret number 1 is your thumbnail. Yes, let's talk about the thumbnail. That thing is like the book cover in a bookstore. If the book does not look enticing, if the book cover is boring, nobody walking past that book in the bookstore is grabbing that book and actually reading even the first 10 pages of the book. Nobody's doing that, And so here is the thumbnail of this video that you're watching. It has 3 things. It speaks emotion, it has one message, and the text is clear. And that's what you want to do with your YouTube videos. You want to make sure that there is emotion in it, meaning there's curiosity in it. You're using power words in the text, and it's a short statement basically to help people click onto the video. So make sure that you are not putting a lot of words, onto your thumbnail. You don't want it to confuse the viewer that is looking at the thumbnail, But then again, not even the click is able to give you the view unless you fix this next thing. So secret number 2 is basically the first 15 minutes of your video. I'm talking about your hook. Whatever it is you're saying in the first 15 seconds, whatever it is you're showing in the first 15 seconds needs to be fast. You need to say it very fast, and you need to be very clear, and you want to provide purpose, because within the first 15 seconds, a person will then decide, am I continuing to watch this video? Am I clicking right off, basically, Because basically you want to state the problem, you want to state the promise, and then you get straight into delivering. For example, you say, this is the problem that you're facing, and I promise to answer this in this video. And then you go right ahead and give the person the value they clicked on your video for, basically. So what this means then is you want to avoid those long greetings. Hi, hello, my name is so and so, welcome back to my channel. All that is not necessary. A person gets invested into you after watching your first, second, and third video, and in all these videos they've found consistency, they've found value. Only then, after then, they've connected to you. Are they thinking, okay, who is this creative? I want to subscribe to them. I want to get to, not in the beginning. So starting with your videos like, hi, welcome back to my channel, is sort of fluff that people do not really want to hear. Because a hook, the first 15 minutes of your video, is basically a handshake, If the handshake is firm, guess what? People want more of your firmness. But if it is weak, you are chasing people away. They're going to want to run away, Viewers aren't random. Views are earned on the YouTube platform. And if you learn how to earn your views, then your videos will not struggle. Now let's get into secret number 3. Yes, the one that most people or most creatives do not pay attention to. Yes, that secret is watch time. Watch time is king on YouTube. What this means is if someone clicks onto your video and they stay longer, even the best videos on YouTube, it's like that video could be 10 minutes long, People with a short attention span normally just watch like the first third of that video. So after 3 minutes of that 10-minute video, they drop off. Now imagine you create a video that keeps people on and keeps people watching the video all the way through. The whole 10-minute video, people watch it all the way through. If this happens on your video, the YouTube algorithm will love you. Guess what? The algorithm will push that video to more people, because the thing is, the algorithm learns that this is the video that people are enjoying. Because with the YouTube platform, it's a business as well. It's all about keeping people onto the platform, So then how do you want to create your videos in a way that it keeps people hooked, it keeps people engaged onto your video all the way through? If it's 10 minutes, they watch it all the way. If it's 15 minutes, they watch all the 15 minutes. How do you do this? Think of simple things like a hook. You need to have a hook in your video. Make sure that the people click and they start watching the video, And then second, when you edit your video, you want to cut it sort of fast pace, because when the video is too slow, people get bored very fast. You want to create the rhythm. And third, you want the video to basically flow, And then fourth, add some examples about you as a person, something that people can relate to, basically. So make the video relatable as well, And you want to build curiosity in the video step by step. Anybody watching the video should feel like, okay, what happens next? And then what? And then what happens next? Because all these things keeps the people engaged and watching. And these will help your video to be watched 100%. And when that happens, you have 100% rate of watch time. And this helps your video greatly. And also you want to think of your video like a staircase, Every step of the video should make the viewer think or ask, what is next? I want to see what is next. And so they step onto the next step. So until they finish watching the whole video too. Now, let's get on to our fourth secret. Okay, and that one is when you upload the video, don't just upload and pray, You want to upload the video and you want to push it as well. How do you do this? You want to start engaging with the people in the comment section, people that are commenting onto your video, And then you want to pin a comment that's on top of the comment section, a question that is very curious that people can respond to always. You want to do that, You want to also post a trailer or a teaser of that video onto other platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Yes, Instagram mostly. This is something that I need to start doing for my videos so that they start getting views as well. Or third, you can post a teaser of this video that's on YouTube into your WhatsApp group. If you're in a groups with fellow creatives, and post it in there and drive traffic from those Facebook groups onto YouTube for people to come and watch your video. Basically, you are driving traffic on to your video. Just don't hope that just by browse features in the YouTube page alone people can find your video. You want to market it basically, And also one other thing is have a strong CTR there in the video, like a strong call to action that asks people to engage with you within the video, And you want to make sure that when you drop the video as well, you are dropping it at the time when people are awake. Because what I've noticed now on YouTube is like the first 48 hours, meaning the first 2 days after the video drops, are very crucial. The YouTube platform is unique. It might push your video weeks from now, months from now, or even a year after the video is uploaded. But it's very important if the video picks up traction within the first 2 days, and you can help the algorithm with that by you sort of putting the video out there on other platforms to drive traffic to the video, basically. Okay, so now let me say this. See, when a fire starts, it does not start with a whole tree. It just starts with a spark, and then maybe it burns small grass and then catches on, and then it becomes a big fire that eventually burns down the whole forest. So getting views is not just guesswork, it is a strategy. Think of a strategy that you want to go by when you're creating your videos, if you want the videos to get views. And remember, in this video I spoke about how your thumbnail needs to be the one that attracts curiosity. Remember how in this video I spoke about how the thumbnail is like the cover of the book, one that is nice and good, that attracts people onto your video. And I also spoke about how the intro needs to be intentional in a way that it makes people keep watching. Yes, I spoke about the third thing, which is very important, which is watch time, how you need to arrange and edit your video in a way that it is engaging and it keeps people watching. And last but not least, posting your video and helping to push the video so that it gets a lot of views. By doing all these 4 things that I've spoken about in this video, it will help your videos get views. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way through. Please hit on that like button to help push the video to other viewers that are looking to watch content like this. I see you guys in my next video.